Hi everyone, I'm Elena and you're watching Marvelous Designer Tool by Tool tutorial part 10. So let's begin. Today I'm going to explain a slash and a spread. It's really a simple tool and it doesn't need to be explained that much because it just has one pop-up box and it doesn't have any shortcuts, so it's going to be simple. How to use it? Let's say I'm going to make some shape and pleat to my skirt. Now, first thing that I can do is to press X and split to know exactly. I can divide my line into 3 and 3. And then I use a slash and a spread, then left click. One thing that I'm going to say is that the first point that you click on is not going to be opened. For example, if I click here, it gives me a line. If I hold shift, I can go down directly. I can decide like this. This way I'm more organized, and it gives me this arrow. For closing it, I just should do another click. Then there is this blue line that it tells me which part of this line I can choose. If I choose this part, right click, and this part moves. If I choose this one moves. Okay, so if I start from here, this part doesn't spread. And just where you do your second click, it is going to be spread. And then you have two numbers, one here and one in the beginning. The one on the beginning is for your angle, 90 degrees. And the one in the bottom is the distance. You can also choose it by right clicking. Before left click, you right click and you can tell the distance. Like for example, I want 15. Okay. 15. Oh, 15. I cannot choose it. You should select all of it and 15. And here I choose this one, I click another time, and as you see here, you have some pleats. So your lesson is finished here, but I'm going to tell you some models of sleeves. No? Okay. Let's see. I'm going to do like a puffy sleeve, but in the bottom, because in the previous tutorial I had the Juliet. I think that it's called Juliet Juliet sleeve. That in the top part it's going to be spread, but right now I'm going to do another one. So let's see. For example, I'm going to make a cuff. So what I do is to let me see where my blue point is. I do this cotton sew, then I make like 3 points here, equal points, and another 3 points here, not here. So what should I do is to click and drag. Now that I told you that you should drag, you just do one click and then you let it go. You shouldn't drag with your mouse. I'm not dragging, if you see. I'm not dragging. So I choose this 18 centimeter. Here I choose another 18. When it gets like this, you should start over. The problem is this number that I cannot select it automatically. So 18. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, so far we have this type of sleeve. But I'm going to also spread this part. What happened on Earth? I think 18 is a lot for this part, so let's see what happens. No, I cannot continue with 18 centimeters, so for this one I take it easy. And that's it. Let me change the color. Okay, let's change a little bit also the dress. What was that? 30? 33? I hope. And yes, that's it. It was an easy, really easy tool. You can use it for dresses or like wedding dresses, a variety kind of sleeves, skirts, and so many other garments. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and have a nice day. Bye.